Every day I catch the ferry from the North Shore, and the sheer number of cranes on the skyline reminds me that Auckland is undergoing unprecedented change. We know that with the city rail link, light rail, more ferries, more buses, all coming on board in the next 10 years, the number of people using the downtown area will increase a massive 8-fold. We're about to embark on a massive transformation of the downtown Auckland area. This is a place where we will see the confluence of people, land and sea. It will be absolutely distinctive. It will reflect Aucklanders. It will reflect the culture that has built Auckland. It will be a special place. And all in time for the America's Cup in 2021.
Designing how this transformation looks is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Having New Zealand's leading landscape architects and urban designers working together has allowed us to design the entire downtown area in a more holistic and cohesive manner. Mana Whenua and the Design Collective have worked together to develop a set of big aspirations for the downtown program. Mīharo and Manaakitanga are key aspirations being brought to life through a set of core principles. A kaupapa that gives the design process and the collective cohesion and coherency.
This new way of working together with Mana Whenua is bringing of Māori artists and designers into the studio, is allowing the projects teams to be able to draw from that mātauranga Māori, that Māori knowledge, local traditions and traditional ways of expressing Māori culture into the projects and into the program. What we're really hoping this is going to bring us is an expression of Tāmaki Mīharo, of this place.
The street's a really busy environment at the moment and it's dominated by its transport functions. So in order to achieve our vision of Manaakitanga, we need to make a transformational change. We're talking about a shift from a place that people move through to a place that people move to. One of the things that's been really important on this project, and in order to deliver on this vision of a transformation from Auckland to Tāmaki, has been to establish a new and meaningful green infrastructure and ecology along Quay Street. Also one that provides connections in the north-south direction between the city centre itself, Quay Street, and the new Water's Edge public space that's been designed by Isthmus.
We're on the edge of the city and we're on the edge of the harbour. And what's really interesting about that is that's where people like to be and it's where nature likes to be. So we're trying to create an interesting stitch between these two things. We need to celebrate these things, the idea of the breath between high and low tide, so that we create a really unique space. The space has been considered like a tidal shelf, a new edge condition for the city for people to be in. We're hoping that we can create a place that really feels like it's ours, a place that feels like home, and it feels like Tāmaki Mīharo.